In today's air fryer series, we are making delicious asparagus right in the air fryer. It is quick, it is easy. If you have been trying to figure out how to use your air fryer for good instead of evil by making all these delicious, healthier options, this is going to be the video for you. We're going to put this together real quickly, and then if you want to stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite micronutrient balanced meals that I enjoy with the asparagus, and you can start adding it in to your healthy weight loss meal plan. If that all sounds good to you, let's get started. So this is how I make my asparagus, and it turns out perfect every single time. So to get started, wash your asparagus, cut off the stems, get it to the desired length that you enjoy. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over the asparagus. Put on your baggy gloves and just make sure that you're working that olive oil all over the shaft. Really, this is just giving it a protective coating as it's cooking in the air fryer. And then it's also giving something for the seasonings to grab onto. But it really is that easy. And then I sprinkle the garlic powder. A lot of garlic powder. I do a little pink Himalayan salt. Black pepper. And that's all the seasonings I'm going to do for now. We're going to place them into the air fryer and they cook for about 4 minutes. That's when I add my other seasonings. So we're simply going to place them into our air fryer. I have the 6-quart Chefman if you're wondering what size air fryer I use. Drop those in. You want them to lay flat as much as possible. And place it back into the air fryer for 8 minutes at 400 degrees. And we'll check back on them. So as you can see, we're at about 4 minutes, and this is the point where you want to add your other seasonings. This is what makes them so gut healthy and really go to work at repairing that gut health. And on my channel, you know that's what I'm all about. So this is where I would add in my ground turmeric. I would add in a little bit of cayenne pepper for a little spice. Some of the ground ginger, if you like. I do up the Italian seasonings. A little bit of paprika or smoked paprika. And again, just sprinkle that all over the top. Place it back in the air fryer. Let them finish cooking for the last 4 minutes. So here we are at the last few seconds. Look at those. Those are delicious. I wish you were here to smell how good the garlic powder, and if you had fresh Parmesan, I would go ahead and sprinkle that over the top right now. But just to recap for everybody who is here, just to want to know how to cook asparagus in the air fryer, it is, I did my stock of asparagus, wash, prep it, stick it in the air fryer, 400 degrees for 8 minutes, and adding and piling on layering seasonings halfway through. So hopefully that inspires you guys. I am going to go ahead and get this plated up because, as promised, I want to show you how to turn it into a macronutrient balanced meal. So you guys saw how easy that was to make up in the air fryer, but I don't think we're just going to be having asparagus for dinner. So I just want to show you, I don't think anything goes better with asparagus than salmon. What a great way to complement the asparagus that you made in the air fryer. And you can even do the salmon, obviously, in the air fryer. I don't know if I've made that video already, but check out my air fryer videos to see if I have, because, again, those two pair together so well. And then we are wanting to get in a healthy carb, so we can have our sweet potato, again, can be done in the air fryer, and or, depending upon, how much of carb lovers you are. I know people are always missing carbs as they're going on their weight loss journey, but if you build them into your meal correctly, you don't have to go without. The garlic and olive oil quinoa, this is from Target. It's such a great brand. You can have this entire package, which I don't. This package would probably be 4 servings for me, but I'm going to pair that with the asparagus, with the salmon, and of course, I love my pico de gallo. So I'm going to put a few tablespoons of pico de gallo over the top, and it is going to be a perfect macronutrient balanced meal that you can enjoy. If you are enjoying all of these air fryer videos, please go ahead and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. And if you know of anybody else looking to make healthy choices, please share my channel or share this video with them. And other than that, I will see you in the next one.